Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back, guys. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, I want to talk about how to generate leads, okay, or how to acquire leads, okay. Either way, I'm going to show you some different ways that you can actually get leads into your business. Whatever you're trying to promote, how can you get leads into your business? Okay. Now, this right here is a program I've been promoting a while. It's still going strong. Matrix Pro Leads. You can go check the link out in the description, www.buyerleads.info. Okay. So go check it out. But let me show you with this program how you can get leads immediately. They will email them over to you. You have options. You can get them emailed to you, or you can actually get them mailed to you on peel and stick labels. These are business opportunity leads, people that's interested in making money from home. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, so I'm in my back office. You can see this is my members area right here. My name is here. So you can go here, guys, and buy business opportunity leads. Okay, right here, they will sell you if you want to mail to these people. Let's say you have a postcard program, or you have a postcard that you want to mail to some folks to get them to look at your opportunity. You can buy some direct mail leads right here for $30. These are business opportunity leads. Okay, they've actually raised their hand and said, hey, send me some information on how to make money online or make money from home. Okay, so you can get the direct mail leads for $30. Okay, this is one time. You can buy these one time, and you don't have a monthly fee. If you don't want to be a member, okay, you can just buy leads as a customer. All right, then you also have email leads, okay, where you can get their email. So let's click here. Let me show you. For $30 you can get 100 people just like that. They'll email them right over to you. So take a look. 100 business opportunity buyer leads, email marketing. You actually get them on a CSV file. You get the full name, mailing address, email address, and phone number. Okay, and you can do whatever you want with these. You can call these folks, you can text them, you can email them, you can mail them a postcard, a letter, or a flyer. Okay, so let me show you the other ones. Okay, then the next one, $40, you can get 100 leads. You can get the phone number, the email, the address, and the name. Okay, so for $40, for $10 more. Okay, and if you want more than 100, let's say you say, well, I want 250. If you want the peel and stick label leads, they'll mail them to you and they'll email them to you. $70, you can get 250. Okay, so here's the prices. I'm gonna put the link below. You can get 500, 1,000. I mean, so these will come within 24 hours. They'll email them to you. Okay, so if you're looking for some leads immediately that you want to go check out your business, you'll email these folks, text them, or mail to them. Go to www.buyerleads.info. So this is a way that you can just buy leads right off the top. Okay, let me show you another one. This is another tool that I use called the Conversion Pros. The link is in the description for this one. You can go in the back office of the Conversion Pros. By the way, you don't even have to pay to get access here. You get a 2-week free trial. So sign up, get you a free account. Then you log in, and you come down to the left right here. And it says Order Leads. Click that button, and right here you will see they have the leads on sale. They're still on sale from the summer. Okay, so jump on this. What you would do, you go back here and it says Order Leads, click right here, and they give you two options. Do you want personal leads that you want to use for your business, or do you want leads that you want to use to promote the Conversion Pros? Okay, so typically I use the personal ones, and then they give you options of the category. You can get generic business opportunity, male and female. You can get female only. You can get live interview leads, live interview travel leads if you have a travel business. or mail only business opportunity leads. Okay, I typically get the generic. So I'll click there, and right here they're on sale. You can get 50 for $39.60. You can get 100 for $76.50, and they go up. Okay, and then also, like myself, I'm already in the Conversion Pros. They will ask me, well, where do you want these leads to go? Since you already have a Conversion Pros account, and I already have autoresponders that I've built. So I would select the autoresponder, and they will go directly into my autoresponder. Okay. And so if you don't have an autoresponder, they're going to go in your back office, and then you can just download them on your computer. Okay. And then you just click here, guys, and make the payment, and you're done. And they will send those right over to you, typically within an hour or so. Okay. So another way to get you some leads instantly. Okay. Now you can also generate. Now this one you're going to have to generate. Okay. Using Udemy. This is a vendor. The vendor is a solo ad vendor. You can pick a vendor here, and what they're going to do is send you visitors. The visitors will actually generate leads. So for an example, I just picked this person off the top, nothing specific, and right here is 40 cents per click. Okay, so let's just say I wanted 125 clicks. That means 125 visitors that this vendor is going to send to this link to one of my capture pages for $53. Now, that doesn't guarantee me how many leads I'm going to get, but they're going to send 125 visitors to me. Okay, and you want to send them to a capture page. Okay, something like this where you're asking for a name and email. So you would give that vendor your URL link, URL link for that capture page, like I did here. Okay, and you just go down here, you put that. I'll typically just say, here's my link and what I'm promoting, and I put the link there, and you make the payment. Now you can select here as many visitors as you want. See, it goes all the way up from 100, well, 75. 100 will cost you $43. They'll send 100 visitors. How many visitors do you want? Depending on your budget. If you want 425 visitors to come to your site, it's going to be $173. Okay, so it's still affordable depending on what your budget is. If your budget is only for 100 visitors for $43, that's what you pay for, but you just be consistent with it. So this is a way to generate leads. Okay, all right. The other two ways, they're going to give you the leads automatically. Okay, then of course, one of my favorites is free marketing. Okay, you can generate leads organically by simply doing a video, making a post on Facebook, social media, anywhere on social media. You can do a Craigslist ad. Okay, any of these methods, they attract people, then they come to you to ask you for more information. That is generating a lead, and this is an organic way to do it. I use the copy paste method.com strategies. Okay, go check this link out in the description, and this training shows you how to generate organic leads, the methods to use, free. Okay, free strategies. All right, so those are some of the ways, guys. And you may say, well, do these opportunities really make money? Absolutely. Absolutely. Let me just show you one of my accounts, okay, where I've created commissions. Okay, this is one of my accounts, has my name there, $12,000 in commissions. There's another account. Once you're affiliate marketer, you end up with a whole bunch of these accounts. This is one of the PayPal accounts here where sales have come in. Even with the leads, guys, this is a business. Selling leads is a business within itself, and they're revamping this system, Matrix Pro Leads, so they're going to be coming out with some new sales videos and things of that nature. But just in this business as well, I've created sales and commission. So let me show you that. Let's see if I can get here. Hang on a second. Okay, so I'm in the back office here, and if I go down, let me just show you some sales right here. Okay, sales, and then my team has created almost $6,500 in sales. Okay, this is just from leads, the leads business. All right. So it's definitely very well possible to earn commissions online. Okay. So I've given you a few ways that you can actually create leads and generate leads. Go check those out. They'll all be in the description. But if you're looking for a way to make money online, I've also listed some instant pay opportunities as well. So you can earn 100% commissions. Okay. And I love affiliate marketing because what you're doing is you're promoting other people's products. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to deal with the customer service, any of that. All you need to do is promote the link they give you. And if people buy from your link, your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Okay. So it's one of the easiest and simplest ways that you can make money online. Okay. So I'll put some links below for you. Go check them out. Get you some leads. Get started. Look forward to working with you in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. See you guys on the next video. Be safe out there and have a blessed day.